We lived there many years. We had life happen there. Children married, grandchildren born. We lived there, yeah. But we were ready for the next chapter. We didn't want to sacrifice the privacy, and we didn't want to sacrifice the spaciousness. And we found that lifestyle in the Epcon homes. We wanted something that felt like a community. We wanted to engage in a community in the same stage of their lives.
Yeah. And we like the idea of the lock and leave.
Absolutely.
And not have to worry about our home while we were away.
And traveling and other things that we wanted to do. But I had not heard of Epcon before, but we loved the concept of the clubhouse and being able to have the pool and all of those things. And so we started looking.
We love the open floor plan, and it felt like luxury, but it wasn't as large as our other home, but it did not feel cramped. It felt very natural, and it was a good fit. It was a really good fit for us.
We felt like all of the things that we do in living were being addressed in our lifestyle and the floor plans. They've really done their homework, and it's a home that we feel like we can age in comfortably.
Yes.
Live in the portico, and we have a bonus area. We wanted a space for guests or grandchildren or anything like that to have their own little private suite up there. It's wonderful.
Yeah, outside space was very important to us. We needed extra space for Sonny's sewing studio, and also we needed the space in the kitchen. We like to cook and entertain. And Epcon Community, these homes, they had all three for us. It was amazing last fall when the leaves began to come down, and I all of a sudden realized I didn't need to find my rake and my blower. I was excited.
Or hire someone.
Or hire someone. I was so excited. Nice walks. I can get back to playing guitar again.
Sidewalks.
Sidewalks.
Oh,
like the sidewalks.
Love the sidewalks.
Walking distance to the pool.
Yes.
Very convenient.
I mean, and when you go and get your mail every day, you see your neighbors and you can keep up with them and what's going on. I mean, I want to know these people.
I like the walks around the pond.
Yeah.
And the geese.
And the geese.
Yeah.
And the wildlife, the birds. We haven't retired yet, and others have, younger, even younger than us. Some older, we're still working. So when we come home in the afternoon, they're welcoming us, they're waving, inviting us over to have a beverage or something like that.
It feels like home, and you have real neighbors that are friends.